Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Orlando, Florida at Disney World. We're actually at the Transportation and Ticket Center. We're heading over to the Polynesian Village and Resort here at Disney World. The Disney Transportation and Ticket Center is a monorail, ferry, and bus transportation hub here at the Disney World property. The station serves both the Magic Kingdom and Epcot spurs of the monorail system, as well as conventional bus, taxis, Uber, stuff like that. The only thing that's not here at the Transportation and Ticket Center is the Skyliner. That you have to pick up somewhere else. It does connect Epcot and a lot of other parks and hotels, but it does not stop here at the Transportation and Ticket Center, just so you know. The Polynesian Cultural Center is steps away from this transportation center, and that's where we're heading right now. So let's check this place out, shall we? As I've been visiting these Disney properties, I've noticed that, well, they're all quite large and it's easy to get lost. So I always look for one of those maps that have the layout of the entire property. And Disney, being the thoughtful company that they are, knew that people would be coming from the transportation center, and they put one right in front of you. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video. And a shout out to Pac-Man, who found Clarice the Miss America crown on yesterday's video, the Steel Pier in Atlantic City at night. It was a beautiful walk. Check that video out. Pac-Man discovered Clarice, and shout out to him right now. Congratulations, Pac-Man. Good eye. Now, I don't know about you guys, but ever since I was a little kid, I've loved all things Polynesian. I remember my parents taking me to a Polynesian restaurant in the neighborhood, and my favorite thing to order was the poo-poo platter. I think they're still around, those poo-poo platters. You know, those platters that kind of spun around on a Lazy Susan with a big old sterno flame in the middle, and they had spare ribs and shrimp toast, and I think some tempura shrimp and maybe some egg rolls. I'm not sure if egg rolls are Polynesian, probably not, but I don't remember exactly what your choices were, but they were all good, except for the vegetable ones. I never touched those. And my parents would order these tropical Polynesian drinks that were bright blue and orange, and some of them came in pineapples with straws sticking out of them. It was fascinating to me as a kid. Of course, as I got older, my culinary taste got more mature, and now I'm into things like Hot Pockets and Stouffer's baked macaroni. And then there's tiki torches. Trust me, it's not a party unless there's tiki torches. What we're looking at here are the overwater bungalows here at the Polynesian Resort here at Disney. They contain amenities like a kitchen, washer, dryer, private bedrooms. It's a full kitchen, a spacious dining living room area, separate bedrooms. They're really, really nice. From what I understand, they also come with a lot of bugs, a lot of spiders, a lot of mosquitoes. Something to consider if that kind of creeps you out. And again, I'm not talking cockroaches and bed bugs. That's just neglect. I'm talking about just stuff that Mother Nature provides when you build a home over water. As with most resorts here in Disney World, the Polynesian Resort has its own running trail. These maps are throughout the resorts in Disney World, depending upon the resort you're staying at. And it gives you an idea of how long the trail is, how difficult it is, and some resorts even have 1 or 2 different running trails in case you're looking for a good run or just a quick morning run. I find all these running trails fascinating. Now, I'm not a runner, I'm more of a walker, and I walk long distances, and I think if I had the right pair of shoes, I could probably walk around the world. As I walk around the outside of the property, we'll head inside soon, but as I walk around the outside of the property, no shortages of places to grab a bite, places to go swimming, places for adult beverages, and no shortages of tiki torches either. Now we're heading into the main building here at the Polynesian Resort, and we'll check out some convenience stores, some places for a quick bite, and we'll head back outside as we head into the lobby. We'll head back outside to the main pool area and check that place out as well. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Now, I never claimed to be a Disney expert, but that's definitely Mickey with some eyelashes on. It's not Minnie, so Mickey's pretty much in touch with his feminine side here at the Polynesian Resort. And around the corner we have Huey, Louie, and Dewey. And now we're heading into the main lobby area of the Polynesian Resort, and the Disney website says, celebrate the spirit of the South Pacific at this oasis of tropical palms, lush vegetation, and so much more. From moonlit nights immersed in outdoor island ambience to the exotic tastes of world-class restaurants, discover the signature tropical atmosphere that's made Disney's Polynesian Village Resort a favorite Disney destination since 1971. Yep, this was one of the first ones, folks. Some of the restaurants and lounges here at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort include the Barefoot Pool Bar, Captain Cook's, Pineapple Lanai, Kona Cafe, Tambu Lounge, Great Ceremonial House, Ohana, Oasis Bar and Grill, Trader Sam's Grog Grotto, Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace, Kona Island, and Disney's Spirit of Aloha Dinner Show. Indulge in culinary delights from the islands at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. Savor tropical specialties from the South Pacific, Asian-infused dishes, and American classics for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Or sip Polynesian cocktails by torchlight. This is Moana Mercantile, one of a couple shops they have here at the Polynesian. And they sell apparel and accessories and camera stuff, media stuff, food, toys, snacks, all the essential stuff. Also at the resort is Disney's Magnolia, Palm, and Oak Trail Pro Shop, as well as Boutique. Get it? Boutique? So what'd you think of Disney's Polynesian Village Resort? I'd love to stay here for a night or two, especially in one of those over-the-water bungalows. Not too sure about the bugs. That kind of creeps me out. I don't know if that's a seasonal thing or if that's just a year-round thing, but not that I could afford it anyway. But I'd like to spend a couple nights here. Leave comments below and let us know what you thought. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.